What is going on, guys? Today we got a real, I don't know, what would you call this?
Conundrum.
Conundrum, yeah, maybe a bit of a sweet jackpot. Yeah, so if you guys follow the Facebook channel, which most of you probably don't because no one really watches this stuff, but if you do, I made a post a little while ago saying that we are going to be running some more boost on the YXZ here for next season. So today we have the unfortunate task of pulling this motor out. So we're going to be running the same silver kit that we have that you might have seen in other videos. So currently it's at 5 pounds, but running them at 5 pounds on stock motor is pretty sketchy to say the least. They like to throw rods out the side of the block there, even at 5. So I plan on bringing this thing, you know, pretty far away from home, doing big trips and stuff. So the last thing I want is to, you know, be worried about stupid stuff like that. So we're gonna be pulling the motor out, we're gonna be running more boost, and we've got some better components for the inside. So the weak part of the YXZ motors is the rods. That's the worst part. So we got some Brian Crower rods here. This should be good up to, everybody has a different opinion on that, but for the most part, people say around 300 horse. We're not gonna be anywhere near that anyways. So got some Crower rods, got some new head studs, Yamaha head gasket, got some low compression Carrillo pistons, or 9 to 5 to 1. It'll allow us to run pump gas at hopefully 12 pounds of boost. So that should put it around, you know, 200 horse-ish. So yeah, got to beat the X3 somehow, I guess, right?
Not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen. You try all you want.
Things are gonna happen. So yeah, I guess we're gonna time lapse this and we'll get this motor out. If you like this kind of stuff, think about subscribing. Really appreciate it. Might not have the best machine here or the best garage or a lot of money, but I'm an idiot. So yeah, let's get this time lapse going.
The suppression, the use of marijuana.
All right, we got the motor out. Sorry we didn't talk too much about specific things when we were pulling it out. We were kind of just trying to get the damn thing done, but she's out. It wasn't that bad, really. It's just kind of a little time consuming, and
A lot of connections.
there's like a surprising amount of electrical stuff going on here for the lack of any features it has, right? Like I don't know, but whatever. But yeah, it's out. Here it is. So cleaned it up a little bit because it's kind of dirty, and yeah,
crack the valve cover.
Yeah, we'll pull the valve cover off here. Probably need a rubber bang bang. Oh no, it's coming.
It's coming.
There we go.
Actually, looks really good. That looks.
Hey, there we go. Look at that. I was hoping the chain wasn't gonna be that. That's a good start. Everything looks pretty good, eh?
Yeah, it's not all full of schmoo.
No, pretty nice. Right on. So, the little teeth on the timing on the cam gears look good too. Nothing.
Yeah.
This gives me hope. I was worried about when Doug did his your chain tensioner has little guides here. These guides were toast on his.
Yeah.
And I was worried those were going to be toast, but
Hey, I wonder if we could see if it'll. I'd have to get a wrench.
nah, you'd have to put a yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well. But yeah, that's probably it for this one. We'll put more up once we start tearing into this thing. But that'll be it for this video. We were supposed to have a bunch of sled videos up at this point too, but it's probably been the worst winter in, I don't know, the last while anyway. The winter's terrible. Like, we have kind of enough snow to ride, but you got to run pavement roads for wherever you go. It's kind of a nightmare, so.
Pretty much gonna stick to the side-by-side and bike stuff for this year anyway.
Yeah,
right?
this will be done. This will be up soon. We got a couple more bike things on the go too. KTM stuff, cheap bike, loser $1,000 bike stuff there.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. There's, like I said, going to be a bunch of stuff going on here, and yeah, have a good day or whatever, eh?
Hey,
Yeah.
have a good day.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Peace out.
So this is the thing that I was just talking about. If you notice, if you spin your engine backwards, it'll skip timing. So I'll just kind of start it here.
Go ahead.
But
look at that, pulling the chain right off the gear.
So you want to make sure you
50.
never spin your engine backwards.
I know the sleds are bad for that, right? So some people are, when you blow a belt on these Vipers and probably Nitros and stuff, use the same kind of Genesis engine. When you're pulling your belt off, make sure not to spin your clutch backwards, your primary, because when you spin that primary and you spin the crank the wrong way, you're actually pretty much, it's right about to pop off a tooth. Like, the timing's done.
Yeah.
So one thing to keep note, guys, you're changing a belt or something on one of those engines. Yeah, don't be a dummy about it. Anyway, bye for real this time.
Yeah, bye for real.